In this video, you will learn how to manage the navigation menu on Hostinger's website builder. First, log in. Log in and open the website builder. Go to hostinger.com and log in. In your dashboard, click on websites, then select the website that you want to edit. Click edit website to open the builder. Access. Access the navigation menu. Click on the navigation menu at the top of your site. Click edit menu and the setting icon that appears. Add. Add a new menu item. Click add new menu or the plus button and choose an add page or an external link or anchor link. Edit. Edit or rename items. Hover over the menu item and click on the three dots or the edit icon. Rename and change the link or delete the item. Rearrange. Rearrange the menu. You can drag and drop the menu items in the order that you prefer. Nest. Nest items under other items to create a drop down menu. Hide. Hide pages from menu. Open the page settings and toggle Show in navigation. Save and publish. Click publish in the top right corner to make your changes live on your site. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.